Using the latest drone and survey technology to safely and accurately deliver essential AutoCAD data in a fraction of the time and cost associated with traditional methods. We can survey neighborhoods, roads, bridges, and many other types of infrastructure, as well as provide unprecedented safety at active mine sites and agriculture. Seen here is a 3D rendering of the North Scottsdale neighborhood of Los Gatos. The project represents 2 flights at 29 minutes per flight and over 250 million points of data. Combined with ground control, this project could be used for infrastructure improvement, such as water runoff and road repair. In addition to 3D renderings, we can also do 2D orthomosaic maps. These maps are a result of our picture processing software that literally analyzes pixels of hundreds of photographs and stitches them together. This results in a very crisp and clear image, as you can see here, zoomed in at 200%.